What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create this look. This is another look from my pujo series that I'm running on my channel right now, and this look is perfect for wearing with your sari or your Indian outfits, or you can just remove the bindi, change your jewelry and wear this with your western outfit as well. So now let's quickly begin. So the first thing that I'm doing is that I'm applying a sunscreen. In case you're stepping out in the daytime, then sunscreen is a must. Next I'm going to move on to my primer, and here I tried a trick and I failed. So I'm basically applying it around my nose and the areas where I sweat a lot. Then for color correcting, today I'm going to go in with my NY Bay makeup stick, and this is the orange makeup stick, and I'm just blending it out with the help of my fingers. If you're comfortable with a brush, you can do that. For foundation, today I'm going to use my Loreal Infallible foundation. Now I personally prefer this one because this stays for a really long time and it's matte and it has a good coverage, so I think this is perfect for festive seasons. Next I'm going to use some concealer under my eyes. So I'm basically using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and guys, if you want more details on the shade and everything, then do check out my description box for more detail. And I'm just blending it out with the help of a sponge. For baking my face, I'm using the Blue Heaven translucent powder. Next I'm going to contour my face using my Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm not going for a very heavy contour look, but slightly contouring my face so that everything looks all together and a little chiseled. And you know, come on, and during puja we all want to look a little special. So once that is done, next I'm going to move on to my brows, and for that I'm going to use my all-time favorite Maybelline Fashion brow pencil. Then I'm going to move on to my eye makeup and use the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette, and I'm going to pick up that brown shade and put that into my crease. So I'm slowly building up the color. Next I'm going in with this warm brown and just placing it over that one, and I'm slowly building up the color and blending it out at the same time. Next I'm going to take this black color, and with the help of that brush I'm going to place that color right in my outer corner. And guys, as you can see, I'm taking very little at a time and depositing. Don't go in with a lot of color at once, and I'm also blending it out with the help of a brush. Once that is done, I'm going to take some concealer and slightly cut out my crease. So I'm just going half the way. Next I'm going to take this mustard color and place it just next to the black, just in the center of my eyelid, and while placing it I'm slightly blending it out with the black. Once that is done, I'm just going to take a thin brush and dust off all the powder. For my lower lash line, I'm going in with that warm brown once again, and once that is applied, next I'm going to take a thinner brush and take that mustard color and apply it next to the brown. Next I'm going to take this white shade. This has a pink shift in it, and I will be applying this in the inner corners for highlighting purpose. Next I'm going to draw a wing using my Blue Heaven signature eyeliner, and this is not going to be a very thick wing but a very thin one actually. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm also going to apply falsies off camera. So once my eyes are done, I'm going to slightly blush up my cheeks. I'm also going to use the highlighter from the same palette and apply it on all high points of my face. Lastly, for my lip, I'm going to use this 7 Seas matte lipstick, and this is a really pretty nude shade that I had received in one of my Euphoria boxes. You can use whichever nude shade you have. So with that guys, my makeup is done, and this is the final look guys. You can add a bindi, add some earrings, and this is how it's going to look. You can carry this look without a bindi as well, and if you're doing it for any of your western outfit, you can do that as well. So guys, I hope that you all have liked this video. If yes, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you're enjoying this pujo series. Do let me know down in my comment section. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, happy pujo to everyone.